Okay, so I made the milk bar pie. Followed along step by step and all the good stuff, but I did find that my pie baked differently than the way Christina's looked when she was baking hers. Like the top of it, part of it looked like hers, like sort of a globby part of it, but then the other part looked really, I don't know, just bubbly and weird. And so I was concerned that it wasn't gonna end up so good. But after freezing it and then putting the, finishing powdered sugar on it, it's so good. Like, it's so good. It's just ridiculous. Like this isn't just yummy, this is pleasure. And then my husband's like, when he took a bite, he's like, this is obscene. So I had a good time making it.
You want my reaction to this? This is Chris Berrigan, and I'm eating crack pie.
No, you can't call it that.
Oh, why can't I call it that? I'm Chris Berrigan, and I'm eating not crack pie.
No.
Oh, wait. Okay. This is Chris Berrigan, and I'm eating this delicious pie created by the milk people. And let's see. Oh, there. Ooh. Well, it like. Hold on. The butter waits its turn.
Oh.
That's the thing. The butter, like, it's like, I'll let you all, like, do what you need to do, and then it comes and hits you, and you're like.
It like fills your soul.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
Like.
It's wonderful. The butter waits its turn.
What is this that I'm eating? It's so good.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Stop giving away that pie to people.
It's so good.